This is a completely automated message from the government of India. The viewer is expected to pay close attention to the details that will soon be broadcasted. This is a completely automated message from the government of India. The viewer is expected to pay close attention to the details that will soon be broadcasted. In over 7 countries including the United States, United Kingdom, Norway, Egypt, and South Korea, there has been reported sightings of what is considered to be extraterrestrial. These were found only after the National Aeronautics and Space Administration found falling objects on the Earth's surface at different places, including India. People have reported to have seen these creatures wandering in the wild and what they are capable of. The number of missing person reports skyrocketed since this event. According to those experienced the presence of these creatures themselves, they have the following traits. They generally have a short height, but are capable of moving at great speeds. These creatures are capable of using elements of psychological warfare to control anyone. And lastly, these creatures are extremely hostile. Do not, at any cost, come in contact with them. It is in your best interests to obey. There have been various sightings and missing persons reports from these areas till now. If you live in any of these areas, it is advised to stay cautioned at all times, especially at night, as they are mostly seen wandering at these times.